Welcome to Simple Home Cocktails. Actually, welcome to the Rum Shop at Simple Home Cocktails. We're going to be doing rum recipes for the foreseeable future for summer, very tropical. So today I am going to do an easy rum punch recipe. Rum punch is a worldwide popular cocktail. You've all had it, I'm sure, on vacation somewhere tropical, or you've had it at home. So we're going to do an easy one for you to have at home. I'm going to make a single glass portion, and I'm going to include a punch bowl portion, measurements for a picture of rum punch on the channel. So just look for that on the channel along with the video. So for a single glass, I'm going to use a Collins glass, or we can use a rum punch glass, which is kind of nice as well. So what I'm going to do is measure in a couple of ingredients. We're going to start with some orange juice, and I'm going to put it straight in the Collins glass, 1.5 ounces. And then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. All right. And 1.5 ounces of lime juice. You can do fresh squeezed, or you can use one of the lime juices options that you can get at a local liquor store. And then I am going to use Bacardi. You need a white rum. So I'm going to use Bacardi, and I'm actually using a Bacardi Limon. So it gives it a little bit of a different flavor. And you're going to measure in also 2 to 3 ounces of the white rum. And you can add a tablespoon or less of grenadine. Of course, that gives it the red flavor and the red color. And of course, I can't do anything without Angostura bitters. So here's a touch of that. And in honor of the orange juice, I'm going to add some orange bitters as well. Just a couple of sprinkles of orange bitters along with Angostura bitters. Glass is already ice. You already have your ice in your glass. You can add a pineapple slice. Of course, an umbrella. Wouldn't be tropical, wouldn't be a rum punch without an umbrella. And then that's it. You can add other items if you like, but this is basically a simple rum punch. Oh, it's delicious. Sweet, which is always the catch with a rum punch. It's sweet and it's seductive, and you can have many glasses of it. Before you know it, you're ready to take a nap. Anyway, so that's an easy rum punch recipe. And if you need more information, just go to my channel, Simple Home Cocktails, the Rum Shop, and you can get ingredients for measurements for a larger rum punch. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much. Don't forget to follow my channel, Simple Home Cocktails. Thanks, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye.